In celebration of World Oceans Day, Garmin introduces the all-new Descent Mk2S, the latest addition to the Descent Mk2 series. Synchronous to this launch is Garmin's CSR campaign to unite divers and diving enthusiasts across Asia to support non-government organization Large Marine Vertebrates Research Institute Philippines' efforts to promote marine research for the conservation of marine megafauna and their habitats in Southeast Asia. With its smaller form factor and striking new colors, the Descent Mk2S follows the Descent Mk2 series legacy of being one of the most sophisticated and connected watch-style dive computers in the market today. Designed with a 1.2-inch color sunlight-readable sapphire display, a 43mm case and interchangeable quick foot bands in silicone, leather, metal and nylon, the Descent Mk2S delivers advanced multi-sport features suitable for both underwater and topside exploration.